Hey YouTube, this is Facial with Simply Lavish at Home, and today I'm bringing you part 2 of one of my very first Simply Lavish at Home videos, Building Your Bar. In that video I talked about all the different glasses and liquors and mixers that you need to start a well-stocked bar at home. Today I'm going to take you shopping and point out some liqueurs and cordials that you should add to your collection. Check it out.
I'm here at Vinnys, and even though a lot of this stuff is available at a local grocery store, I come to places like Vinnys because, one, the variety is much greater, and two, the staff is knowledgeable. So if I'm not sure what I need or want, they'll be able to answer my questions and give me some advice. One of the easiest ways to flavor a cocktail is with schnapps. Schnapps come in a variety of flavors, peppermint, apricot, peach, all types, and they're relatively inexpensive. So if you have a cocktail in mind or some flavors that you want to experiment with, I think going with schnapps is a really great option. If there's a flavor out there, there's probably a schnapps that goes along with it or some kind of liqueur. One of the more popular flavors that you'll find in liqueurs is going to be orange. So here you see I'm showing you some triple sec that you see in a variety of cocktails. Cointreau is a mid-level brand of triple sec, so you use it to flavor margaritas and things like that. Also, a kind of orange liqueur is a curacao. So Grand Marnier is a curacao type drink, and how I use them, basically I use triple sec for light drinks, Grand Marnier for dark drinks. For cocktails that are a little more sophisticated and have more complex flavors, you want to stock things like vermouth, which you'll find in martinis and in Manhattans, and also bitters, which does exactly that. It adds that bitter note to what could be otherwise sweet cocktails. Finally, you want to have some syrups on hand. So we're going to look at Rose's sweet and lime juice, which is popular for some tequila drinkers. They like that sweet to go against the tequila. And grenadine, which is also popular in drinks like Tequila Sunrise and Shirley Temples, which is a non-alcoholic drink. It gives it that sweet syrup flavor from pomegranates and is relatively popular and gives a lot of drinks that red or blush color.
Making a good cocktail is really a science. There are people whose profession are built around mixology and things like that. I basically go for what I think might taste good, what might please the crowd. I don't have a crowd of people who are really specifically professional drinkers, though they like to indulge a little bit. So here's one of the punches that I typically make, usually by the picture, but I am going to just make a glass right now with your favorite fruit punch, whatever that might be, some gin, and some liqueur 43, which is yet another orange flavor liqueur. You can drink this on ice or just straight up like I'm gonna make it. So you just start with your favorite fruit punch. I'm gonna put in what amounts to probably about a shot of gin. About a shot of the liquor 43. Liquor 43 is pretty sweet, so we want something to balance that out, so I'm going to give a squeeze of lemon juice in there. Now typically you would shake or stir this, and I am going to garnish with a wedge of lemon and a cherry. And there you have it. Well, tell me what you think. If you have not seen the first Building Your Bar video, I'm going to leave a link right here, and I'm going to put a link in the description. If you haven't already, please subscribe to Simply Lavish at Home. Give me a thumbs up and a comment, and as always, you can follow me on various types of social media. So until next time, here's living simply lavishly. Cheers.